please don't forget that our decodable books are available on Amazon. Hi guys, today we will be looking at L blend blue, blue add blad, blue ack black, blue aid blade, blue aim blame, blue ank blank, blue ast blast, blue aze blaze, blue each bleach, blue eat bleat, blue eed bleed, blue eep bleep, blue end blend, s bless, blue oo blue, blue eind blind, blue ink blink, blue ip blip, blue izzard blizzard, blue ob blob, blue ock block, blue ond blonde, blue odd blood, blue bloom, blue awesome blossom, blue ot blot, blue owls blouse, blue o blow, blue oo blue, blue off bluff, blue ush blush. Thank you very much everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You'll also find videos to help you with grammar. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!